We're discussing the economy. We're discussing how it relates to jobs and all of the things that are happening right now with the virus that we've become so familiar with. I'll be making some decisions. I've already made some decisions actually today, but I'll be making some other ones that are very important. And I thought I'd let the press in to hear some of the wisdom from the folks in the room. And maybe, Brian, I'll start with you. And Brian's the chairman, and he's the man at Bank of America. Highly respected. Everybody in this room is at the highest level, highly respected. Brian, please.
Thank you, Mr. President. Thank you for bringing us together. The CEOs of the large banks here want you to know that because of all the work done on the capital, liquidity, and all the things as we look forward to uncertainty due to the virus and oil price changes, we're very strong and capitalized. We are in great position in terms of liquidity, capital, and strength. But most importantly, we're doing what we do best, which is helping our teammates, importantly, but also our clients and our small business customers, our medium-sized business customers continue to have access to credit. All of us are providing relief to any customer that has an issue of being out of work for the virus. The things we've done in every natural disaster that's occurred in many years. And we tell you that up until the last couple of weeks, the activity has been very strong, and it's still strong. We're still seeing people spend money. We're still seeing people go out. Small business loans are continuing to grow. Auto loans are growing. Mortgage loans are obviously very strong. But the real key is we're well capitalized. We're here to help small businesses, medium-sized businesses, the core American economy run, and to help our consumer clients really weather the storm in case they're directly affected by this.
Thank you, Brian, very much.
I think as part of that, Mr. President, I think it's important to recognize a few things. One is, building off what Brian said, this is not a financial crisis. And the banks and the financial system are in sound shape, and we are here to help, part of it. I think second is, when we look at what's going on, in many ways we're going at several challenges at the same time. We woke up, or we went through Sunday and a precipitous drop in oil prices, and we needed to deal with that when the market opened on Monday. Clearly, Corona is front of mind for everybody, not just here in the U.S. And I think the market's going through a period of trying to get price discovery, and I think also trying to figure out what is the intermediate and longer-term health of the economy. And I think what we saw is some fears on the back of those, and some talk about potential recession on the back of those. And I think the market's going through a discovery phase of really trying to figure out what earnings are going to look like and where valuations should be. I think the good news is that the markets have performed in an orderly way. The infrastructure that supports the markets, I think, has held up through some pretty good tests. There's been some strains along the way, but I think it's held up well, and it's been orderly. And as Brian said, from the banking perspective, we're here to help. We want to provide liquidity. We want to lend to our small businesses. We want to be supporting our consumer clients.
Thank you very much, Michael. That's true. And I think prior to the coronavirus, it was just all go. The numbers were fantastic, and we don't even know what the numbers are now. We'll have to see. The numbers from a week ago were great, and from 2 days ago were great, but now we're hitting a patch, and we're going to have to do something with respect to getting rid of this virus as quickly as possible and as safely as possible. Our number one priority is the health of the people of our country, and so we'll be making most likely a statement. I'll be making a statement later on tonight as to what I've decided to do and what our country will be doing.